It's the Weather Extreme video. This is the morning edition for Tuesday, October 6th. I'm James Spann. The weather dried through midweek and afternoons are turning warm. Check it out. The upper low that brought the cool, cloudy, damp weather over the weekend is moving east, off in the Atlantic, moving away from us. A ridge beginning to build in. And then another upper low back over Southern California. But that ridge pumping up between those two upper lows will set up a warm week. Starting off the day in the 60s. We'll expect a high in the low 80s in most spots today. The average high for today would be in the upper 70s, around 78. Watches and mornings, pretty quiet around the nation. Got a few flash flood watches in some of the western states. And out west, a risk of severe weather later today and tonight for parts of New Mexico, Arizona, West Texas, including El Paso. We'll keep an eye on that feature that will be lifting out, and that could drag a cold front down here with a few showers Friday, but probably no big deal. Tomorrow's convective outlook, a marginal risk again out around El Paso, well to the west of here. Rain, not much. This is the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Sunday morning, showing nothing for the Gulf Coast. And hey, the weather could not be better for the National Shrimp Festival in Gulf Shores this weekend, with sunny days and fair nights. For North Alabama, maybe a few showers Friday afternoon or Friday night, but don't think it'll be a big deal. Tropical weather, little impulse in the central Atlantic is just really having a hard time because of wind shear. And Joaquin, still hanging on as a hurricane, top winds 85 miles an hour. That'll become post-tropical later this week, passing north of the Azores, getting close to the UK late this weekend, over in Europe. All right, model fans, here we go. The 06E GFS, valid today at 1 o'clock local time at 500 millibars. You can see the ridge beginning to build, and down below that, the sky will be sunny. Well, let's say partly sunny today. We'll expect a high in the low 80s. Tomorrow, a good supply of sunshine with mid-80s. And the same thing Thursday. Evidence maybe a few showers over Mississippi, but we'll leave it dry here. And you can see a surface low that is around Madison, Wisconsin, with a trailing front down through the Great Plains. And on Friday, that surface low is over New York with a trailing front. And as that drops south, that could kick off a few showers Friday afternoon or Friday night. So just be aware of that. The upper support passing well to the north. The moisture kind of limited, so it probably should not be a big rain event, but showers not out of the question. And then Saturday, as the weekend begins, looks very nice. A good supply of sunshine. Numbers come down a tad. Highs maybe dropping back in the mid to upper 70s. Should be a great day for the college football games in the state and around the Deep South. And Sunday looks good. The sky will be sunny. We'll get down in the maybe low 50s Sunday morning. It'll feel nice and cool, but Sunday afternoon, the high should be at or just over 80 with a cloudless sky. And Monday of next week, we stay dry and pleasant. And a week from today, this is Tuesday, October 13th, the polar jet north of us got ridging. Look at that 594 bubble over far west Texas. But for us, again, that looks pretty uneventful. Into the forecast, October 15th, mid-month. Pretty cold looking over eastern Canada. Down below that, we look to be dry. And again, this is a very dry month. Doesn't rain a lot in October. Driest month of the year. Temperatures off the ensembles, 80s this week. Then we go back in the 70s, lows in the 50s. Very typical mid-October weather out there toward the middle part of this month. That's it for the Weather Extreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.